All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's DIY project that I'm going to do is I'm going to take an RV inline water filter and I'm going to attach it to this line right here to soften this water. So I already have a shower head filter, but I'm not quite happy with it. So I'm going to take some basic hardware. I'm going to attach this into this line. That way I have an extra filtered water to try to soften my skin, and it's really easy, and you guys can do it. I'll show you exactly what I got from Home Depot. All right, let's get started. All right, y'all, so this is my setup of parts. So we start off, we have a half inch nipple. So this is male. I already threaded it with Teflon. Then this is a garden hose adapter. So it has the 1/2 inch thread on the inside, and it has the 3/4 inch thread on the outside. That is the part. And I'm using this quick disconnect garden hose that came with the filter. So this will go into the filter. Water flows this way. So same thing, I just happen to have an extra one. So when I get ready to change this out, it's just a quick undo here, undo down there and change it out. This is our next adapter that I used. So this is a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter down to a 1/2 inch. And then this is a double-sided female end coupling, 1/2 inch. So it will go here. This is the part number. And then into our wand. So this setup will only work if you have an additional wand or hose, which you can install relatively easy. And then this is the two tools that I used, adjustable wrenches. And then this is the setup where you can install this to where you have a wand, and this just turns from shower head to wand. And I'll get it put together so you guys can see it all together. Relatively cheap, easy. May not be as aesthetically pleasing, but if you have sensitive skin, this is a good option, especially if you're renting and you can't modify, or you don't want to spend, hundreds or thousands of dollars on a water softening set. This is a good alternative. So I will get it together and I will show you guys what it looks like. All right, y'all, so this is the setup. You can see the couplers, the filter, all the way up to the shower head wand. I already turned it on. I blew out a whole bunch of black carbon and stuff that was in there. You can see a little bit of it, but it's good to go. So I'll demonstrate it. So I have the shower head on wand. And there you go. So the reason I did this, I live in South Georgia and the water is extremely hard, and I was breaking out my skin. So I tried the shower filter, still having issues. Trying this, and this should be a pretty good alternative, because I'm renting a place, so I can't install a full water system. But there's no more hard water smell. If you've ever been to like South Georgia or Florida, the fresh water has a weird smell. That is no longer a thing with this filter. With this filter installed and this filter, I don't know if that really didn't take away the smell, but this definitely did. So only time will tell if it really helps, but that's a quality filter and it is supposed to filter it. So here you go, guys. So this is a good alternative if you want a DIY project to soften your water without breaking the bank. And I will list the part numbers in the description below. Thank y'all.